Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PNC Bank with Splitwise. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and fund transactions with the PNC Bank. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So first thing that you want to do is log on to Splitwise. Then click on account. And then from here, click on add a funding source. Next, click on bank account. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on continue. Next, click on continue again. And then on this page here, you want to go ahead and click on PNC. So now what it's going to prompt you to do is log into your PNC Bank so that you can select which account you want to go ahead and connect to Splitwise with. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your PNC Bank with Splitwise. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.